Yo, guys. It's popping. Chris. On USS Texas, playing some domination. Tail. Like always. I'm gonna use the shotgun, guys. Y'all haven't seen me use this shotgun, bro. I'll freaking rock this. Pop some ass. It's like I'm playing with fucking balloons on a birthday party. I got a fork, bro. I'm gonna pop these balloons, bro. Pop them. That's what I'm gonna do. Termination ain't popping nothing. Because I'm popping it all. Oh, hit marker. Oh, popped them. Y'all saw this. I popped them. Popped them. Oh, popped them. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, so this shotgun is not as efficient as it is in ranked. Can I get a hell yeah? I said, can I get a hell yeah?
No.
Oh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad, guys. Y'all saw that. I'm so bad.
Oh my god.
Popped them. Popped them too. Popped them too. Who? Popped them. Popped them too. I'm going ham. Can't stop, won't stop. 10-3. Let's get it, boys. Popped them too. Popped them. Popped them. Popped them. Fuck. Oh, fuck, come on, bro. I'm dropping a 40 bomb. Let's go.
Capturing Baker. I need cover and fire. They advance to the bow. Taking Baker.
Popped them.
Movement. FEA incoming. Taking heavy fire. Throwing grenade.
Popped them. Popped. Oh shit. Oh, fuck.
Closing with Baker.
Yeah, you have to say it with me, bruh. You have to say it. Potato Squad. Hashtag Potato Squad.
Capturing Baker.
Popped them. Popped. Oh, hit marker. Y'all saw that, guys. Y'all saw that hit marker. Come on. Who's making this game again? Treyarch? No, that's Black Ops.
Securing charge.
Sledgehammer. Come on, Sledgehammer.
Contact.
You just saved us.
I'm drawing.
Teammate just went big.
By the AI.
Oh, I just got sniped. I just got outplayed. Come on, Grizzly. Get your shit together. Popped him. Oh my god, I would have gotten that. I'm gonna get the final kill, watch.
Ah!
What? No! Oh, it's because he had that collateral. Come on, Grizzly. Trying to steal my fame. My spotlight.
Advance and take position. Taking Charlie.
Hey guys, we're about to pop some ass. You already know how it rolls.
Closing with Baker.
Popped his ass first. First victim of the round. Second victim. Oh, never mind. He can no-scope me? Watch. Is this a no-scope? Let's see this. Hit marker and a no-scope. Come on. Oh, quick scope. I gotta load these incendiary shells.
3 piece.
2 peas and a biscuit.
Where's the biscuit?
Find it. Oh my god.
Baker's overrun.
This map is now officially my favorite map. Hit marker.
Enemy recon aircraft observed.
I'll avenge you.
Right there.
Never mind.
Closing with Baker. Securing Baker.
No, 21-11. No. Gotta push it for this 40 bomb. Can I make it? Find out once this video is posted. Watch this, guys. Watch this quick scope. Oh. Ah, snap. I would have got it. Cheap sauce.
Oh, snap. You sauce.
We used to be on the same team. You were the chief sauce that went with our potatoes. Just kidding, guys. Where's this guy at? Want to pop some ass, take control of the bottom shape real quick. Pop his ass. Yo, these kids are trying so hard. Jeez. I'm not even trying hard. Come on, guys.
Enemy contact at Charlie. Under the smoke funnel. Charlie is overrun. Closing with Charlie. We're dumping at Charlie. Enemy recon aircraft observed. Enemy contact at Charlie.
Y'all saw that. 3 hit markers. Come on. Oh my god.
They're capturing Baker. They're capturing Baker.
Kobe! Oh snap. I didn't make it.
Baker's overrun. They're at the AN site. Capturing Baker. Enemy recon aircraft observed. Capturing Baker.
No, I just got. Oh my god, I didn't see him. Come on, guys. Yo, I think I might upload this. I might.
Tossing grenade.
He's on our communication rooms. Watch out. Yeah. Pop his ass. Pop his ass. Yeah, where you at? Where you at? Pop your ass. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Pop your ass. Pop your ass. Pop your. Oh shit! I missed.
Securing Baker.
Oh, I missed. Oh my god, I missed.
They're taking Baker.
We're taking Baker.
Under the smoke funnel.
We don't take him Baker. We take him baked. Ain't that right? Oh my god. Am I gonna choke this? Am I gonna choke this 35? Find out, guys. Gotta get this 35 kills. 34 now. When I choke this 35?
Sending more to that.
Oh, my kill, bro! I took a kill!
Contact. Taking Baker.
Never mind, I got the 35 kill. What, will I choke the 40? Yeah. Oh. Damn! This kid's trying so hard, bro. I'm not even trying hard, guys. I'm weak. Oh my god, I would have gotten. Oh,
Chains are fighting me.
oh.
Omni chains.
Oh, he didn't invite me. 10 fuck off.
Retreat.
He probably wants to do a rank play. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll potato you guys later.